In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a featured collection to the Shopify Dawn theme. Let's start right from your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged into your store's admin area, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is the control center for everything in your store, from products and orders to your online storefront. From here, we're going to move into the theme editor so we can visually place and configure your featured collection. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, find and click on Online Store. This will open a submenu where you can manage your themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and more. Under the Themes section, you'll see your current theme, which should be Dawn, or another theme based on Dawn. Next, click on the Customize or Edit Theme button for your live theme. This opens the theme editor, where you can see a preview of your store on the right and a list of sections on the left. This is where you'll be adding your featured collection. Now, decide where you want this featured collection to appear. It could be on your homepage, near the top under the main banner, further down the page, or even on another template, like a specific page. In the sections list on the left, scroll to the area where you want the featured collection to show, then click Add Section right beneath that spot. A panel will open with all the available sections. Scroll through the list until you find Featured Collection, then click on it. Shopify will immediately add this section to your page, and you'll see a placeholder block appear in the preview. Click on this newly added Featured Collection section in the left-hand panel to open its settings. In the settings, look for the Collection field at the top. Next to it, you'll see a Select button. Click on Select, and a list of your existing collections will appear. Choose the collection you want to feature, such as bestsellers, new arrivals, or any custom collection you've created. Once you've selected your collection, you'll see the products from that collection load into the preview. At this point, you can also adjust design options like the layout, number of products per row, or the section heading, depending on what the Dawn theme offers. When you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This publishes your changes so visitors to your store can see the new featured collection section live.